Hey guys, it's Oscar again here at Nikkyo Cars in Japan. And do I have something for you today? Look at this. We got something special for you today. So this is a 1997 Mitsubishi Super Great. It's a 10-ton dump truck. It's got a 17,700cc engine, manual transmission, two-wheel drive, an amazing truck, very, very famous. These go anywhere around the world. So let me show you around. I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, so now we are inside the truck. One of the things that I want to point out, this car, even though it was a work truck, as you can see, it's still in very good shape. It's not torn, it's not broken. That's one of the biggest problems you have with these type of vehicles usually. They're usually, very worn out. But in this case, this car has been kept in very, very good condition. So a minute ago, you guys saw how the back was used. So just a quick pointer. In order to do that, always make sure the first thing you do is you push down on the clutch right there. Then you've got your button right here to turn on and turn off the PTO. Make sure that it's on when you want to use the dump side. And then you've got a lever on the side that allows you pull that up, put it down, and that will raise up. So just a quick pointer there. Also, another thing to point out here is you've got the system right here. What this does is these trucks on the sides, they have kind of like a gate, if you will, on the side. So what this does is it allows you to open either the left or the right side or both sides at once. So that's the system right there that allows you to control that. But like I said, overall, the best thing I can say about this truck is in very good condition, very clean, very well kept. All right guys, so the cost of this truck, what we're asking for it is $15,000 FOB. That means the truck price is actually $15,000. And the freight, now the freight for these type of trucks, it can be expensive. So we do offer other services in order for you to save some money, if you will. We do offer container shipping. We could dismantle the car and again put it in a container. So we can help you save. So get in touch with us, and we'll definitely find the best way for you to take this home, take it with you for your work or whatever it is that you need it for. So get in touch with us. We'll be waiting for you. You will have our phone number right here, and then our email address will be right down here. And of course, you will have a link to our website at the bottom on the more info area. Get in touch with us. We'll be waiting.